Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to round image corners in Canva. So if you want your photos to have round corners, then you're onto the right guide. So the secret for that is just to choose the right frame so that you could fit your photo in there and to add in some effects onto its corners. So for us to be able to begin, just choosing a template. And once you're already onto the editing page, we'll need to go ahead and head here onto the elements. So what we need to do is we need to choose a frame first. We'll click onto frame in here and you should be able to see the different frames available in here. Let's click on to see all for that. And as you can see, we could try to use this one, the square one with a round corner, or this one. So you'll just need to choose onto which one you prefer that has a round corner. So for example, we're going to use this one. We'll just make this a little bigger. And then right after, for you to be able to add in your photo, just click onto uploads in here to add the photo that you want to use. So for example, we want to use this photo and want to add the round corner onto this photo. We're going to drag and drop this onto the frame in here. And as you can see, it has round corners already. So if you want to resize your photo, you'll just need to double click onto this, or you could also position your photo correctly or as per your liking. Then right after, you'll just have to save this once you're already satisfied. And that is just basically it, how you round image corners in Canva. If you think this has been helpful to you, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and I'll see you on to our next video.